Hey everyone, seeing the hashtag REF error in Excel and not sure what went wrong? Yeah, that usually means something in your formula lost its reference. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix the hashtag REF error step by step. So let's jump in. First, the hashtag ref error appears when a formula refers to a cell that no longer exists. This often happens after deleting rows, columns, or entire sheets. So start by clicking the cell with the error and look at the formula bar. If you just deleted something by mistake, uh, the quickest fix is to undo it. Press Ctrl+Z immediately to restore the missing cells. Once restored, check whether the formula starts working again. If undo isn't possible, you'll need to manually repair the formula. Click the formula bar and replace the hashtag ref part with the correct cell or range. Make sure the new reference actually exists in your sheet. Sometimes the error appears because a referenced worksheet was removed. Look carefully at your formula to see if it points to another sheet. If that sheet was deleted, either restore it or update the formula to the correct sheet name. To avoid this problem in the future, consider using absolute references where appropriate. Select the cell reference in your formula and press F4 to lock it. This helps prevent references from breaking when you copy or move formulas. Yeah, very useful. Finally, if you want to hide the hashtag ref error while troubleshooting, wrap your formula with iferror. For example, type equals iferror, your formula, comma, and the value to display instead. Just remember, and this hides the error but doesn't fix the root cause. And that's pretty much it. With these steps, you should be able to fix the hashtag REF error in Excel quickly. If this helped you, consider liking the video and subscribing for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching, as I so, and I'll see you in the next one.